Iron does sharpen iron. And there is a friend who will be closer than a brother. Those words right there, man, has been in my mind and in my spirit for a while. And you know that it really hit me this morning as far as like what it really means. Think about it. We sharpen one another by working together, by you showing your skills and I'm showing mine, and we're working together as a team. There's a friend that's closer than a brother. That means a lot of time your family is not going to be the one that's going to help you out. It's not going to be the brother that pick you up. It's going to be a friend. It's going to be someone that you probably meet on a whole nother side of the country, who once y'all get together, he help you out like he was your family, or you help him out like you was his family, or vice versa, whatever the situation is. And I really understand that as far as a man, we need that camaraderie. We need at least one good associate that we can actually talk to, vent with, network with, hustle with, put our thoughts together, put money together. We need that person. I think every man need one person like that in their life. Another man that he can actually just vent to, because those who have wives and girlfriends, there's just certain things that you just can't talk to your woman about when you're dealing with the stresses of life and everyday life. And especially if you're a black man, you got different wars you fight. So you need a brother. You need someone to actually talk to just be you around, that is not going to judge you, because they understand the situation you in. Y'all see eye to eye. So I'm not going to judge you. You're not going to judge me. I can vent around you. You can vent around me. And I think that's needed. So brothers, if you don't have one, seek one, find one, because having that type of person in your life will take you to that next level. Hold on.